Why did I start coming to Freedom Family Chiropractic? I started coming because I believe in health and wellness for my children, mostly. So I've been to chiropractic care most of my life, but I really love this practice. They are so family friendly and really awesome for my kids, and my kids love them, so I just can't imagine going anywhere else. So Micah was born on March 29th, and we were here March 30th to get adjusted. So for other mothers out there, I would definitely say bring your children as young as you can. I mean, 1 day old is perfect. If you can start out the earlier, that gets them used to chiropractic care. It can be fun for them. They're excited to do it. My 3-year-old loves chiropractic care. He actually gets really upset when I go without him. So yes, absolutely, take your children early. Keep them healthy, and chiropractic care helps with that.